I've got a green light on the field. Drivers behind the lines in 3, 2, 1, go.
All right, once again, we've got 4 robots moving, 3 robots on each side. Off the line, we have a score on the blue side onto the reef, which will give the blue that autonomous ranking point once again. I don't think red's going to secure that point, but we did have all 3 robots off the line, which is a great thing. Looks like Voltronics is going to line up and go try to score that coral on the L4, level 4 of the reef, and they secure that L4 coral. Meanwhile, Team Tempest over on the Blue Alliance is going for that L4 as well, and they score as well. Gulfport High School Team Fusion is trying to get a coral from the player station, and they're going to head that back to the reef. Voltronics is going for another L4, and they secure that as well. Looks like Team Tempest has cleared some algae off that reef there. Very important, because if the algae is there, the coral don't count if they're touching an algae. Which is why it's important to clear that algae off that reef before they score coral. Voltronics gets another one on the top level of that reef, L4. Meanwhile, 364 drops one, and it bounces out of L1. Team Tempest is going for a L3 score, but they're a little shaky on that. Looks like they secured that. It's another L3, and 7094 Alpha Omega scores another L3 for the Blue Alliance. Team Voltronics is doing a good job stacking coral onto that reef on the Red Alliance. They're still slightly behind, but right now it's a very close game. It could go either way. Very close game, neck and neck. Looks like Fusion has scored a algae up in the barge for the Red Alliance, and they're pulling within even. Now it's a 2-point game. Blue's got a slight lead, but it's jumping back and forth. Now Red's ahead. This is going to go neck and neck down to the wire, it seems. 45, 40, 53. Red's starting to pull away. Let's see if Blue can counter and catch back up. Guys, this one might go down to the end game. Right now, point. Oh, Red jumps up another advantage. 364 looks like they're off the ground. That's a climb on the Red Alliance. Blue Alliance got Stube in the parking zone. Looks like Voltronics is trying to line up for a climb. We may have a double climb on Red, and looks like we do. Good job, everyone.
Red Alliance with a score of 83 to 57. That brings 97-17, Voltronics right up in the 8th place into our Alliance selection. Let's see how it goes.